Wind and water changing the shape of the land. Wind is the moving air that we can feel but cannot see. It can be a gentle breeze or a strong gust. Wind is caused by the air around us moving from one place to another. It can blow leaves, make flags flutter, and even help us fly kites.
Water is a transparent, odorless, and tasteless substance that covers a significant portion of the Earth's surface. It can be found in oceans, lakes, rivers, and even underground. Water can be in different forms, as a liquid when we see it in rivers and lakes, as ice when it's very cold, and as water vapor that we can't see when it turns into steam. What is erosion?
Moving water and wind can change the shape of the land by carrying and moving pieces of the earth from one place to another. This is a natural process called erosion. Erosion happens over time as wind and water act like tools, wearing away the land and reshaping the landscape.
Incredible landforms shaped by erosion. Real-world examples.
1. The Grand Canyon, Arizona, United States. 2. 12 Apostles, Victoria, Australia. 3. Kirkjufell Mountain, Snæfellsnes, Iceland.
The Grand Canyon was formed over millions of years through the powerful forces of erosion by the Colorado River. The river slowly cut through the land, making the canyon deeper and wider. The flowing water eroded the rocks and soil, creating a magnificent and beautiful canyon with different colored layers of rocks.
The 12 Apostles were formed by the ocean waves over a long time. The waves wore away the rocks and made big columns of rock called sea stacks. There used to be 12, but now there are 8 left because of erosion. The ocean waves keep changing the land and making it look different.
Kirkjufell Mountain was formed through the process of erosion. Over thousands of years, wind, ice, and water wore away the surrounding rocks, shaping the mountain into its distinctive cone-like form. Erosion carved the steep slopes and jagged ridges, creating the iconic landmark we see today.
Erosion can be a problem for several reasons.
Environmental impact.
Erosion can negatively impact ecosystems. It can disrupt habitats, damage plant and animal populations, and reduce biodiversity.
Damage to infrastructure.
Erosion can damage infrastructure such as roads, bridges, and buildings. When the land erodes beneath these structures, it can weaken their foundations.
Loss of fertile soil.
Erosion can wash away or carry away the top layer of fertile soil, which is essential for growing plants.
Effects on water quality.
Erosion can transport sediment and pollutants from the land into water bodies. This can degrade water quality and harm aquatic ecosystems.
How do we stop wind and water from totally changing the land we live on?
We don't always want the land we live on to change, so we can use science to slow down or stop erosion. Planting vegetation, such as grass, trees, and shrubs, is a great way to prevent erosion. The roots of plants help hold the soil in place, making it less likely to be washed away by wind or water. The leaves and branches of plants also provide a barrier, reducing the impact of raindrops and slowing down the flow of water. Building retaining walls is another approach to prevent erosion. Retaining walls are sturdy structures made of materials like stone, concrete, or wood, which hold back the soil on steep slopes.